flight crew, welcome to Baltimore. Federal regulations require that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and luggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Use caution when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Cell phones may be used at this time. Sun Country has a new app for our customers. We invite you to download the app to book future travel, manage your trips, check in for flights, and get your mobile boarding pass. Thank you for choosing Sun Country Airlines for your flight today. And for those of you who are sitting next to a window, if you can close your window shades, and everyone, if you can reach up and turn on your air vents, that'll help keep the aircraft cool. Thank you.